The anomaly is a turn. One animal in one harbor turns to face a machine that is watching it, and it begins the turn before the machine's sound reaches the water. The turn happens only when the index is the one watching. It does not happen for anyone else. The subject is a conjure eel, a long, thick fish that lives in holes in rock, carrying a small chip under its skin. Harbor staff in Split call it starry. It has lived in the same gap, in the wall of berth 12, for 6 years. Divers photograph it. Tourists throw it bread it never eats. Nothing in its record was ever strange. Then the index opened an entry, and the record changed. 73 tests, run across 4 months. The setup was simple. 1 underwater microphone and 1 heat camera, both worked by the index, switched on with no warning and no pattern. Ivana Peric, a marine biologist hired to watch the camera feed, wrote down what starry did each time. Each time was the same. Within 1.5 seconds of the gear going live, the eel stopped, backed out of its hole, and pointed its head straight at the sensor. Not near it, at it. Then it held there until the gear was switched off. Parrots checked the water for shaking, for light, for anything an animal could feel. The harbor was oared Ina Rai. Only the eel was not. The city runs its own gear in the same water. Cameras for the ferries, microphones for the engines, all of it older and louder than anything the index brought down. Starry ignores every bit of it, and has for 6 years. Same water, same wall, same animal. 2 kinds of watching, 1 answer. The movement traces are the part that matters. On paper, every turn draws the same mark. A flat line, then a sharp notch leaning left, then a long straight hold. 73 notches, the same shape every time, like a signature copied out. The harbor's own microphones pick up the first sound the gear makes, and it lands on the paper as a tall spike. On every trace, the notch comes before the spike. Test 68 was set for 4:17 in the afternoon. The gear was late. A cable had to be swapped, so nothing went live until 4:18 and 30 seconds. Starry came out of the wall at 4:17 exactly. Head up, pointed at the empty bracket, where the sensor had not been fitted yet. It held that line for 90 seconds, facing a mount with nothing on it. Down the key, 2 people were still arguing about a plug. Parrish wrote 1 line in her notebook that afternoon and nothing after it. The index logged how long she waited before she wrote it. Nobody asked for that. 4:17 has come up in other entries. The file lists 74 turns. 73 tests were run. Nobody has found the test that made the extra one. Its date is filled in. Its equipment field is blank. The index keeps a list of subjects that turn toward it. Index -00847 is the first name on that list. That subject was a man who became aware of being watched, and his entry has never closed. Starry is not a man. It is a fish in a hole in a wall, and it does the same thing faster and without being asked. Parrish asked for the tests to stop. The request was logged. Test 75 is already booked. Status: pending review. No corrective action has been scheduled at this time.